Decoding the C1 Business Higher, BEC Higher Scoring System. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the scoring and assessment criteria of the C1 Business Higher, also known as the BEC Higher. Understanding how the exam is scored can be crucial for your preparation. Let's unravel the mystery behind the numbers. BEC Higher, or C1 Business Higher, is one of the Cambridge English exams tailored to assess English proficiency in a business context. It's the third of the Cambridge English Business Certificates, and it showcases an advanced ability to use English in professional settings. The BEC Higher comprises 4 parts. 1. Reading. 2. Writing. 3. Listening. 4. Speaking. For each part, you can be awarded a grade between A, B, C, or U, ungraded. To achieve a grade, you need to score a particular number of marks. For instance, A represents an exceptional performance. B represents a good performance. C indicates that you have met the standard required. U, sadly, means you have not reached the standard for that part of the exam. Aggregate scores from all these sections then translate into your final grade. Now, let's talk about the assessment criteria. Each section has specific things that examiners look out for. 1. Reading. This assesses your ability to grasp main ideas, detailed factual information, opinions, and attitudes. 2. Writing. Examiners look at content, communicative achievement, organization, and language accuracy. 3. Listening. You're judged on your ability to understand a range of spoken materials, like news programs, public announcements, and conversations. 4. Speaking. This is where fluency, pronunciation, interaction, and the range of vocabulary come into play. For the best results, focus on improving in all these criteria. It's not just about knowing the language, but using it effectively in a business context. And there you have it. A concise breakdown of the scoring and assessment criteria of the C1 Business Higher exam. Remember, knowing how you're assessed is half the battle won. Equip yourself with this knowledge, and you're already a step closer to acing the exam. We hope this has been enlightening, and wish you the very best in your preparations. Until next time, keep learning and thriving.